everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sakshi and I make videos about fashion, DIY and about my cats and even things related to cats. So if you like any of them, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So today's video is about how to DIY a cat scratch board. Now जिनके भी घरों में बिल्लियाँ हैं वो जानते हैं कि अगर आपको अपने फर्नीचर्स बचाने हैं, आप नहीं चाहते कि आपकी बिल्ली आपके वो फेवरेट सोफा को स्क्रैच करे या फिर आपकी फेवरेट डाइनिंग टेबल पे स्क्रैच मार्क्स आए, तो इसके लिए कैट स्क्रैचर्स बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं. I mean, it is a lifesaver and of course it also gives your cat that space that they own. It's their territory where they go and scratch and release that extra energy that they have saved. Do you know जो आपकी रात को 3 बजे बिल्ली इधर से उधर भाग रही होती है, those are called zoomies. And trust me, अगर आपके घर पे cat scratchers हैं तो आपकी नींद थोड़ी सी बच सकती है. तो इसके साथ ही जबकि आप मार्केट में देखें तो आपको कैट स्क्रैचर्स ऑफ कोर्स इजीली मिल जाते हैं. आपको अराउंड 400 की रेंज से 300 की रेंज से अमेज़ॉन पे कैट स्क्रैचर्स स्टार्ट होते हैं एंड ऑफ कोर्स डिपेंडिंग ऑन द प्रोडक्ट, ब्रांड, क्वालिटी, द प्राइस वेरीज. बट अगेन फॉर पीपल those who don't want to spend on these things that they have to buy repeatedly, and also people like me who love to DIY their own things and make their own things out of waste. In a way, we are saving environment and making it all sustainable. So for people like those, I have got an amazing hack जो आप without spending any money आप अपनी बिल्ली के लिए cat scratcher बना सकते हैं. So do you want to know how to do that? So come on, I'll teach you a way. And from today you can DIY your own cat scratcher. Now to make a cat scratcher, you will require cardboard. You can use any of your old parcel boxes. Like for me, I'm using this old cardboard box. What I generally do is whenever I get a parcel, or I think most of my fellow cat parents do this, whenever you get a parcel, you leave your cardboard boxes out and your cats play with it. So as you can see, this box has been out for a while and they are done like playing with this. So now I'm going to use the same box and DIY a scratcher for them. And this is the most sustainable way you can get your cat a scratch board. So to make these cardboard scratchers, you will require a pair of scissors, a pencil or a pen to mark your guidelines, a scale to know that all your guidelines is similar, and a cutter. Any cardboard cutter is good. So for the cat scratcher today, I have taken 2 sizes of the cutter. You can choose any dimension, literally any dimension that fits your space perfectly, and accordingly you can choose the size of the cardboard. While cutting this cardboard, only the length of the cardboard matters, because we are going to cut these cardboards into small strips and then stick them together. So later on you can decide the width of the cardboard as further you want and keep sticking the cardboard on. So let's start with it. Trim out any extra section of the cardboard box, and that would help you to get equal sized boxes here. Now once you have all the boxes, make straight lines and they'll be parallel to each other, and just continue doing that along with all your cardboard boxes. Be patient with this and you're just going to enjoy the end product. Well, it might take a while, so four cardboard boxes with parallel lines here. So now we are going to use a scissor or a cutter and just cut through these lines. So I'm using a scissor. You can even use a cutter or anything that is you are comfortable with. I am pretty much more comfortable with this.
Once you have all your strips cut out here, we are going to stick them together using a glue, and this is really fun. Just stick them parallelly and go on until you are done with all your strips, and at the end you have the cardboard cat scratcher ready.
So that was it, and if you liked my video or want to see more of my DIY content or my fashion content, don't forget to like and subscribe. She says bye too. See Brushmore? Oh, I think she's very sleepy. Cute.